Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a header image in your Atlassian account. So in order to do that, from the home page here, you want to click on your account settings. You can also find the account settings if you click your profile on the upper right hand side. You also have the account settings there. Now from here, you'll be taken into your account settings and here you'll find your picture. But behind that is a header image and you can click on that and upload an image. Find something where what you want to use. Let's say I'm going to choose, for example, this Lamborghini here. I can click on that and I can upload that header image right here. In a second, you'll see that it loads. That's how you had a header image in your Atlassian account. So once you're done, all you have to do is just simple close out. Whenever you're in your Atlassian account, guys, you will see that you have that header image set up wherever it's supposed to show. But that's all you have to do, guys. That's how you go ahead and set header image in your Atlassian account. So at any point in time you want to go ahead and view your account details or view your account, you will see that you have header image there so that you can see all there is to it. And it says who can see your profile pictures and so much more. If you click on this, so you can see here that this specific header image is visible to everyone as well. So wherever you are that you're currently viewing your profile, this is going to be showing up there as well. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.